Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to see who blocked you on Instagram. If you are new to the channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below. And once you've done that, please leave a like down below and let's get started. I will guide you on how to see who blocked you on Instagram. Now, first thing you need to do is to go to your Instagram account. Now, for this tutorial, we are going to use two Instagram accounts. Now, we'll be using this one to block the other account, and we will also see how it actually looks like when you are being blocked on the other account. Now, the next step you're going to do is to go to the search bar and type into the username that you want to block. Now, once you're in their profile, you may click on the three dots on the upper right corner. And in here, you will see different options, but you're going to click on the block and click on block in the username. And you can see that you have successfully blocked this user. So we are going to check these on the other account to see how it actually looks like. We are just going to switch accounts first to see it. And once you're in the other account you just blocked earlier, we are going to search the username which blocked this account. And as you can see, this is how it actually looks like when you are being blocked by someone on Instagram. Another thing about blocking is that no one will know that you are being blocked. So this is why you really have to search for the specific username of the user which you think might block you. I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and stay updated for more tutorials.